I guess if it starts flashing, let me know, because it's not that far of a ride.
Alright.
I hope we don't get a flat. I use all the CO2 cartridges. Whew, smell gas. Somebody leaking gas. That car. There's a gas leak right there.
Racing dirt bikes, aren't they? Yeah.
They're meant to look like it. They're on and off road.
Scrambled dirt bikes.
Yeah. DOT tires and everything they make now. Knobbies.
Yeah, the knobby tires.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, have a good day, guys.
You too. Got a racing bike on a road.
Yeah.
I cannot figure out how this stupid thing works. Stupid. I don't understand. What's up?
A lot of people I ride with got supermotos.
This was kind of half and half, but I do more off-road, so I just put all DOT knobbies.
I mean, on the highway, it's a little...
Yeah. Yeah, you get that little...
My ass hurts after a couple hours. It's fucking rough.
All right, have a good day, man. Looking familiar yet? See if anybody can guess. There's silo was up there in a movie, but there's really no silo up here. Ah, the corn, it's growing. More realistic, more movie-like. They're running through the corn. There's the silos. There's the house and the barn. Kenny. Oh, looks like a copper knocker. Oh yeah, it is. No wheelies. You're not gonna wheelie now? Yeah. Poopy, poopy. How's it going? That was fucking close. Did you hear me lock the front brakes up?
I heard you locked both of them up. You almost killed us all. Oh, that fucking man.
My braking was controlled.
Oh, mine was fine too, but him, he was coming in behind us.
I was looking at you guys.
You know why? Yeah. I was sitting on the back, I had my feet on the back pegs, and I was trying to catch up to go next to you, and then all of a sudden he stopped, and I'm like, grabbed the front brakes, and my fucking feet are on the back pegs, and I'm trying to find the brake. There was a bridge that went right from there to over there.
Oh, okay.
And that gets so low, I want to cross it with my bike. Get her! Ah! 10 more miles, you're home.
You got it! You got it! Good! Good!
Poor thing. Frog Rock. He just cut out in front of him. I thought it was one of these guys. I'm like, no. Woo! He did a wheelie and I didn't catch it. One of these days we're gonna have to line all three of these up and do a video. It's too much traffic today.
Oh yeah.
I was saying everybody's been asking, they wanted a race between this and that on the videos. I said, well now they're gonna want that and that. So I said one of these days when there's not a lot of traffic we'll have to do all three.
Except someone else is gonna have to have a camera. Or someone else is gonna have to ride that.
Yeah. I should have about a half a tank.
That's what I got.
That's ripping.
Good? When you getting one?
I just got offered a CR500 street legal supermoto for my car.
CR500? That must be an animal. That'd be crazy on a road.
What are you guys doing?
Probably just head back to the house. What, extra gas? You put too much money in there?
$4 and 56 cents.
I'll take it. 40 cents?
Yeah, I got $5 in gas.
Perfect. Thanks. Oh yeah. No, what the hell is that? It is a Suzuki though. It's got a big radiator though. What the hell is that? What is that?
It's a 400.
Is it a 400? And I was like, man, that looks like it's got big radiators.
Oh, no, yeah, it's the guards. What year is yours?
13.
13?
Yeah. I do videos, but I don't have any cards, so I can't give you one.
Got a card right there.
Where? Oh, I do have cards. Shit. Here, I'll give you a card. I forgot I had this on the back. How many people I tell that today? They're probably looking in the back saying, what do you mean you don't have a card?
Where are you guys headed now?
We actually rode all day. We're Just heading back now, yeah. Where are you going?
I was gonna hit that. I don't know how you say it.
Scattercook?
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of people on there today. Cool. All right, we'll have to get together and ride one of these times. Yeah, see, that I'm missing those. Take it easy.
Where's he going?
I don't know.
How you doing?
Good.
Oh, you saw me at the gas station?
Yeah.
I saw you go by and I was like, I wonder if you even saw it.
I heard you yell something and it took off, and Matt and the guys are like, where's he going? I'm like, I don't know.
I didn't know if you were going to catch up or not.
Well, with all the traffic.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been out. My ass is killing me. All right, so what are you going to do? I guess we'll head back, or are you going up? Take it easy. Take the back way.
Yeah. Still waiting for you.
Oh, she's behind me? What the hell is she following me for? Want to swap?
Yeah.
It's tall. Oh yeah, the kickstand popped you over. At least you saved it.
Clutch is so different.
Afraid of that. I hit the wrong button. Huh?
What's your...
I hit the wrong button.
Look at how they're doing.
I don't know.